This activity bag is in the 0 to 3 home resource kits. Parents, please make sure you are here to supervise your children during this activity, as the pom-poms can be a choking hazard. Here we can have this open-ended activity for your child to explore their creative and imaginative skills. There are endless ideas that you can create with this activity. Why don't you get your child to use the pom-poms and thread it through the thread? They can thread it according to a pattern, colour, or however they like. They can make a bracelet or a keyring or a necklace. Let's see what we can create together. As you can see here, I just made a beautiful bracelet. Look what I just created. I created a keyring using my keys. You can grab your mum or dad's keys and make a keyring for yourself. Another activity you can do with the pom-poms is sorting them out. Why don't you sort them out like I did, from biggest to smallest? What about building up your vocabulary? Can you tell me what your pom-pom feels like? Is it soft? Is it squishy? Is it hard? Is it fuzzy? What about fluffy? Another activity we can do is counting. Let's count how many pom-poms we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All up, I have 7 pom-poms. How many do you have?